Understanding the F-22 Raptor's combat capabilities. The F-22 Raptor is a highly advanced stealth fighter jet developed for the United States Air Force. Unlike the F-35, which features a beast mode, allowing it to carry a heavier load of weapons by sacrificing some stealth capabilities, the F-22 does not have this configuration. Instead, it relies heavily on its stealth technology to maintain a tactical advantage in high-level combat scenarios. Stealth and maneuverability. Despite the absence of a beast mode, many pilots regard the F-22 as a beast in aerial combat due to its exceptional stealth characteristics and maneuverability. The aircraft's design allows it to engage in air superiority missions effectively, making it one of the most respected and feared fighters in the skies, even years after its operational debut. The F-22's combination of stealth, supercruise capability, and advanced avionics provides it with an exponential leap in warfighting capabilities, enabling it to dominate in air-to-air engagements without needing to compromise its stealth profile. In summary, while the F-22 Raptor does not feature a beast mode, its advanced technology and design make it a formidable presence in modern aerial combat.